November 2022 was the stellar day for Tambo Memorial Hospital, for the city of Ekurhuleni, for the community of Boksburg, and for the nation at large. We are overwhelmed by grief as the hospital, as public servants, and as the nursing profession. The death of our colleagues, friends, and colleagues and employees has left us emotionally traumatized, confused, angry, having unanswered questions, and fearful. The tragedy showed us that God can change things in a moment, and we must keep praying and never stop believing. As we are grieving, it is like we live two lives. One, we pretend that everything is all right. The other is where our heart screams in pain. The loss of our employees has left a scar that no one can heal except God. The more you hear the testimonies of the surviving victims, you become more scared and develop a panic attack, thinking of the worst that could have happened if the tragedy had to happen on an ordinary weekday.
Devastating loss comes at a time when the Republic of South Africa in general and Gauteng province in particular is experiencing shortage of nursing personnel due to changes in nursing education and training. The time at which the incident took place, 6 to 7:30 in the morning, was an unfortunate and an unavoidable time for the 11 Tambo Memorial nurses who were en route to commence or complete their shift. It is heart-wrenching to see our nurses who serve our patients and the community around the clock, 365 days a year, lose their lives.
With the representation from organized labor and management, knowing what happened, where it happened, and how it happened when it happened, and most importantly, why it happened, will help us to find closure. The recommendations of this report will be subjected to the scrutiny of the OHS committee to ensure that similar incidents don't occur, or if they do, there should be mitigating measures that we have and protective factors built in the system to minimize their impacts. We have started the process again of assisting families who will be receiving benefits from social security programs, including compensation for occupational injuries and disease, and the unemployment insurance funds. Upon completion of this procedure, we will communicate with the families and work with the teams designated by the Minister of Employment and Labour to expedite the processing of their claims. We will continue to work with the Department of Social Development to provide the psychosocial support for the families of the deceased through social workers at the district level, although that process already has been happening.